the value is what we see here, and that's it. And here it doesn't happen, nothing happens. If we let's cut this. Okay, input up, and this is what we have. If we want to add something to this kind of button, we have to add the onClick method that say, for example, alert, let's put double, okay, alert hello, let's close it. So let's run this thing, and here it is, our alert. We can make some change inside the button itself and say this, that refers to the object itself. So this style dot color, let's say that equal blue, for example. So when we run this, we will have our button to become blue, as you see, and you can add more stuff to this, and you can make this style dot background equal yellow. That's not perhaps something so nice to see, but it is just an example of what you can do. And maybe we shouldn't use background, but we should use background color. It's better. We have a problem. I made something wrong, and this style background color equal yellow, it doesn't work for some reason, and let's call it just background, and it works. So it's not background color. And there is another way to make a button without using input type button, but just button. And okay, button, click me button, and let's see how it is. This is exactly the same. Let's put a break here. Okay, these are the same, so let's call it click me to distinguish it, and like that I can put my own click method to make him do something. In this case we have not the value as the text that appears on the button, but we have test content. Okay, so we have test content. So this dot that text content equal hello from button 2, and let's see what happens if something happens. Takes a little time here to bring back. So okay, we have done everything right, but we get some problem with internet maybe. Here it is, hello from button 2, and this is always the first button that we made before. So we can add the style and everything like before. We can also use this other way to change the style in a web page, that is inside the tag style, and here we can make for every button the style that we want to. And so we can use a lot of things. We can give it a color. By default there it's dark green. Let's see what happens. Nothing happened because they're green. Perhaps it's not a color, and nothing happens again because button style. Okay, I made something wrong maybe, and let's go classic button and see what happens. If we make a class, you will have to put a dot. Let's say here we got this color green. We don't have it because I must have, okay, let's put it inside here. We have another, okay, we have a style here that we built before, so but new. Let's use this. And here it is. We changed the style of this one, but if you use the same class here, we will have the same thing. Okay, the first and the second, and let's see what happened in the style that we gave to these buttons. We have a button color. As you see, we used just background, but when you use it here into the text style, we use background colors here. As you see, this is the color. The border, there's no border, as you can see. We can put it to border to 1. Let's see what happens. Here is the border. We can change this to pink, and here is pink. The color is white, maybe orange, and here it is, not very dark red. Maybe it's better, I don't know, maybe, I don't know if let's see, let's put it red. Sometimes there is no color. Padding is quite impressive. 16 pixel and 32 pixel. Let's reduce this a bit and let's see how it appears. It's a little shorter. Text align center, left, nothing happens. Right, text decoration none. Okay, leave it this way. Inline block. This is the way they are. If we don't put a break here, you see we got 2 on the same line. If you put block, we get each one on a line without the break. And the font size is 16. Let's put it to 28 to see it bigger. And the margin is 4 pixel and 2 pixel. Let's reduce it a bit. Okay, wait, concentration. This is the time that the color takes to change. Let's see a shorter amount of time, like 0.2, and let's run it. You see, it's a little faster. Let's make it 0.8 on let's make it 2 seconds. And it doesn't seem to effectively work. Perhaps we can go from 0, 1 to something. Nothing really happens because we are not on Safari, and we finally realize it. So let's put in 0.8. It should be a little different. 0.1. It's immediate. Okay, and let's put it to 2 seconds. Very slow. Okay, so maybe it's too slow, but we now understand how it works, and I like it. Maybe 0.5 seconds. It's better 0.5 or 0.4 like it was before. And the pointer, as you can see, it's a pointer when